This video will demonstrate the installation procedure for portable steel yard ramps from Bluff Manufacturing. To begin the installation, insert the top of the T of the ramp clamp into the slot on the yard ramp apron and rotate 90 degrees. Insert the fork into the ramp clamp pocket and tighten the screw to secure the clamp to the forklift. Before installing the yard ramp, please constrain all the truck movements with the help of chocks. Bring the ramp onto the truck with the help of forklift and then fully release the pressure from the pump by twisting the pump release valve through the hole in the side of the ramp. The ramp should lower and the front lip of the ramp will land in the truck bed. Leave the pump release valve open during all loading and unloading operations. Loop the chain back into itself to secure any relative movements with the truck. Loosen the ramp clamp from the forks and rotate to remove it from the ramp to start using the ramp for loading or unloading the truck. To use the ramp, the forklift driver should slow down before entering or exiting the ramp. The load should always be facing uphill, so the forklift should back down the ramp if it has a load. When driving up the ramp, the forklift driver should not exceed 3 miles per hour. If there is no load, the forklift can drive forward down the ramp. The driver should not make turns on the ramp, only go straight up and down. The driver should also slowly drive down the forklift from the truck not exceeding 3 miles per hour when on the ramp. When finished loading or unloading, unlock the chains from the truck. Next, close the pump release valve by turning it clockwise. With the pump release valve closed, insert the pump handle into the top of the pump through the grating. Actuate the pump handle forward and backward to lower the undercarriage and lift the ramp. Once the lip is no longer in contact with the truck floor, the truck can pull away. Once the ramp is raised fully, use either the ramp clamp or tow bar to pull the ramp away from the truck. Call or visit our website for more information.